off, off, off. And you might be wondering, why am I saying off? If you are struggling to sleep, if you are unable to sleep in the night and your mind is constantly working, this is a beautiful, wonderful switch word, and which is called off. OFF. This will help you to switch off from the noise around us, from that constant scrolling. I know we are all victim of it, and nobody has been left out from that. From the very young people to all the way to all the age groups, we love scrolling in the night, and before we realize there is 2 to 3 hours gone by. So today we are going to do switchword with Reiki healing, symbols, and I have got a beautiful amethyst which is so powerful that would help you sleep. So let's do it. Thank you. Say it with me. If I'm saying something in between, you can keep saying it to help you sleep better, to help you sleep efficiently without any dreams. Wonderful, wonderful deep sleep, because to sleep is everybody's birthright. So let's do this together. Off, 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 off. You might be wondering, how will this work? Switchword creates that switch, and we want to off that switch to our subconscious, to tell our subconscious it's high time now, it's time to rest, relax and sleep. Off, 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 off. This will turn off your mental chaos, your thought process, and it would guide your body that enough is enough. This is the time to sleep. Off, 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 off. So switchword works wonderfully, but in this switchword with Reiki, crystal, symbols, incense stick series, we are combining everything together to get you that maximum benefit out of one switch word or switch phrase. So this one is off, off, off to sleep, off to wonderful, wonderful rest for the body, for the mind, for the soul. Off, 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 off. You can even affirm, I deserve a peaceful sleep. I deserve beautiful, peaceful sleep. And let's start with this beautiful divine Reiki healing energy to help you sleep better, to help you sleep wonderfully. Off, off, off. Please don't stop. You can keep saying it. Off, 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 off. Feel your body relaxing with every word you are saying. You can have some deep breath. Relax your body and say off, 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 off. I'll be sending Reiki healing, but you don't stop from your side. You can please keep saying it while I'm sending you this beautiful divine Reiki healing. I'm saying it in my mind. Are you saying it loudly? Saying it in your mind, whichever way it is working for you. And with every time you say this word, imagine your body is going into that deep sleep state, peaceful, relaxing sleep. Off, off, off. I have created a whole playlist for Switchword. You can receive healing, you can receive this from the Switchword whole series. Off, 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 off. So I have created this whole Switchword series through which you can receive all the different kind of healing for the money part, for balancing everything in your life. There is a whole list of Switchword which you can receive Reiki healing on a regular basis. Off, 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 off. Let me know how you feel. You might feel a tingling sensation. Your body might start feeling very relaxed. Off, 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 off. Have a wonderful sleep, a very restful sleep. And make sure you come back tomorrow and let me know how was your sleep. If you could not sleep for whatever reason, keep receiving this Reiki healing on a regular basis. Off, off, off. To release whatever doesn't serve your body. To release whatever doesn't work for you. Off, 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 off. Thank you so much for receiving this beautiful Switchword crystal healing. Off, off. Let me know where are you connecting from. Let me know your results. If it helped you, if it not, whatever it is. If you have any video request you would like to let me know, please write down in the comments below. Thank you so much. Off, off, off. Thank you.